Hey everyone, Technomentary here with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up Apple Pay on your iPhone and how to use it. So let's get started. So in order to use Apple Pay, first thing is you need to ensure that you have a passcode at the minimum for your iPhone. And if you have Touch ID, Face ID, it'll make things easier for you. So in your settings, go to Face ID and passcode. And if you didn't set it up, you're going to be entered into this menu and simply go ahead and turn on passcode. There will be an option here. And then if you like, you can also set up Face ID or Touch ID if you have a home button iPhone, which is going to be important because if you don't have a passcode, it will not allow you to set up Apple Wallet. So what you'll do is after that, close out the settings app and then you'll find that wallet app. It's a default app on your iPhone that comes pre-installed. Now, if you don't find it or you deleted it, you can always go to the App Store and then search up wallet to re-download it again, which again is available on the wallet. Right here, this is the wallet app. It's from Apple, which you can see here, it's available. And once you open it up, it's going to look something like this. Now, in order to use it, you need to add a card like your credit card or debit card as an example, right? So in order to add a card, it's really simple. You click on that plus icon right here. And from there on, it's going to give you this option to add to wallet. And from here on, you can go ahead and add a debit or a credit card. You can also apply for an Apple Card, but you don't need an Apple Card in order to use Apple Pay. All you need is your debit card and credit card from any bank or any company that you already have. And you simply tap on that. You'll hit continue. And then there's a couple ways to add it. You can hold the card near and it can read that the actual scanning code, but you can also enter it manually. If you didn't want that, you can type in your name, card number, hit next, and then put in the expiration and the security detail. And sometimes your card might send you a code and you might need to enter the code. And again, it all depends on what kind of card you have. You can always take a picture of the camera with the card as well. And then once you hit next and verified it, it will be added as a card on your Apple Wallet here. If you go back here, it will be listed as a card up here. And in order to use it when you're in store or at a checkout or online shopping, what will happen is you'll double click on the side button just like this and it will bring up the card for you. I don't have a card here, so it doesn't show up, it just locks, but it will bring up the card and then you enter your passcode or verify your Face ID and then it will basically process your card. Simple as that on how to set up and use the Apple Pay on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone. We'll see you guys next time.